Morning, everybody. Why is my voice a little bit hoarse today? I don't know. It's the first time I spoke today, and all of a sudden I'm like, what's going on? I've got so deep. Anyway, I'm just charging up everything because it's a lovely day outside. So, ding, 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 ding. That's the charging. I have this on a loan from. Sorry, I keep covering the camera. I haven't got my tripod with me. It's in the car. But I have this, which is a loaner. It's not actually mine. It's the OSMO 2 from DJI. It's their little powered gimbal. The problem is I don't want to take it out today because it's not mine, and I don't want to take it out of the box. I'll be probably traveling about, and I don't want to damage it or anything. But it is fun. But the other problem is as well, with this phone, I've got to take it out of the cover and then put it onto the gimbal and stuff like that there. So I'm kind of like, nah, I'll not bring that today. I'll just use my little handheld. But soon. I say it's a lovely day outside. I've got to go and meet my nephew for some coffee. So let's do that. For the camera for tonight, so it's a case of I'll have to go with the OSMO today. Be a good chance to experience it. I'll just show you this as well in case anybody else is thinking of buying the DJI OSMO Mobile 2. As I say, my phone really doesn't really fit into the holder quite right without taking the cover off, which I don't like to do. But it's a great little bit of kit. Let's see. So, box in here as well. Actually, we do have the optional stand for as well, a little base so you can put it down. But the actual base on the OSMO itself is pretty wide, so you can set it down flat, which isn't so bad. See, I don't even like doing that one-handed there, but yeah. Pardon my shoes. See, kind of stands by itself anyway. So power on button, little mode button there. Oh, I shouldn't have powered that on. I haven't really looked into it too much of it, but yeah, it all kind of works, kind of nice. Let's put the phone in, shall we? Filming? Yeah, I think we are. Okay. So here's the gimbal. As you can see, it's nicely balanced, and obviously I'm just not sure about that movement there. As I go around with it here, yeah, it just helps balance the camera a little bit. But I just find sometimes when I'm looking actually into the lens on this side, the camera lens on the front facing camera, whenever you move it, it can be a little bit slow to react. You've got to really use that movement, whereas before it was more like just keep your arm straight. Just a little bit different, but it works. It'll do for today. Can't really swap the camera while I'm filming either. I've got to sort of stop and then go again. But yeah, as you can see, you sort of do have to tilt. You got to give a little twist on the wrist whenever you're moving around, just to make it work out a little bit better. Look at the mess in my house. Don't look. So yeah, we're going to be filming with the OSMO 2 mobile for today. We've got to get up to Derry. I'm now going to meet one of my mates as well up there called Roy, who I haven't seen in years. So yeah, made it to Derry Londonderry, and we kind of got to say that here to keep on both sides. But yeah, I've just had a nice little meeting with an old friend of mine I haven't seen in many, many years. Nice to meet you again, Roy. Oh, this is what we're getting up to at the moment. But right now I've got to try and find Greg and Joe and the rest of the gang that's maybe up here as well to find out how Joe's getting on, because he's going to be on stage soon. And look at this weather. You don't get this anywhere else but Northern Ireland. I mean, Spain has not got a look at this. Is just absolutely awesome. And this is a wonderful place as well. I used to work down here many, many years ago. In fact, here, I'll show you. It's an old train station building right over there, one with a clock on it. I used to work in a little studio in there, and that's where I would do my breakfast videos show with Q102 many, many years ago. Awesome. Sort of the main road that takes you into the Derry city, and I've always seen these old buildings. You see them there? Yeah, these ones here. I've always seen them from afar, and I thought, you know what, kind of maybe cool to fly the drone over that. So let's do that now. Let's go. Oop.